Hey y'all, what's up dolls? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I got better fashion dolls. To all my new dolls, welcome. What's up? So we all know it's Halloween time. This is like my favorite season. I love to do Halloween makeup looks, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna do something quick and simple for you guys that's new to Halloween makeup. We are going to do a voodoo doll, and I will also link a couple of my Halloween makeup videos below just in case you are interested in checking those out. So let's get started. All right y'all, before we get started, don't come for my little red wig or whatnot. I just put it on because it's a part of the Halloween look, so we ain't, you know, hook it up like I'm about to go out in it. You get what I'm saying? So anyway,
I'm that bitch. I'm that bitch.
Tracademics on the motherfucking slab.
I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm the hood Mona Lisa. Break a nigga in the faces. Had to eat some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutique. Saw them little ass clothes, only fit fake booties. Still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had.
Alright y'all, so the fun thing about doing this type of makeup, nothing has to be perfect when you're doing a Halloween look, like spooky look. If you're going for like a, you know, like a little gore look, you don't have to worry about everything being done to perfection, because what's the point? Like, no dolls, you know, creepy dolls look A1. So that's the good thing about this. So we about to move along to the next step, y'all. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 334 for foundation.